was waiting for Momo and Diddi. This time, they walked into a peaceful forest. Tall trees stood all around them. Birds sang happy songs and a small river flowed between the rocks. "This forest is beautiful," said Diddi. Momo smiled. Momo smiled. "I think we will meet another amazing animal today." Just then, they heard a soft sound. Crunch, crunch. A big brown bear came out from behind the trees. The bear had thick brown fur, strong legs, and a kind smile. "Hello, my friends," said the bear. "Welcome to my forest." Momo and Diddi waved happily. "It is nice to meet you." The bear invited them for a walk. As they walked, Momo asked, "Where do bears live?" The bear smiled. "Bears live in forests, mountains, and some cold places. We like places with food, water, and trees." Diddi looked at the bear. "Your fur looks very warm." The bear nodded. "My thick fur keeps me warm when the weather is cold. My body also has a layer of fat to help me." "Wow! Sait Momo, you are ready for winter." The bear laughed. "Yes." Soon they came to a tree with a beehive. The bear looked up. "I love honey." The bees flew around the hive, but the bear stayed calm. "It is one of my favorite foods." Diddi laughed. "So bears really do like honey." "They do," said the bear with a smile. A little later, they walked to the river. The bear looked into the water. Then, splash! With one quick move, the bear caught a fish. Momo clapped. "You are so fast." The bear smiled. Fish are another favorite food. We also eat berries, nuts, plants, and insects. "So you eat many different foods," said Diddi. "That's right," replied the bear. As they continued their walk, they heard a small cry. "Help!" A tiny squirrel could not reach its family because a small tree branch blocked the way. The bear carefully moved the branch. The little squirrel quickly ran to its family. "Thank you," said the squirrel. Momo smiled. "Day, you are strong and kind." The bear nodded. Real strength is helping others. As they reached a quiet cave, some bears sleep for a very long time in winter. This is called winter sleep. It helps us save energy when food is hard to find. Momo looked surprised. "So you sleep for many weeks?" "Yes," the bear replied. "When spring comes, we wake up again." Before it was time to leave, the bear shared one last fact. Bears have an excellent sense of smell. "My nose can smell food from very far away." That is amazing, Sait Diddi. The bear smiled proudly. "It helps me every day." The sun slowly began to set. The sky turned orange and pink. It was time to say goodbye. Momo and Diddi thanked the bear for teaching them so many wonderful things. As they walked home, they talked about everything they had learned. They learned that bears live in forests, mountains, and cold places. They learned that bears have thick fur to stay warm. They learned that bears eat honey, fish, berries, nuts, plants, and insects. They learned that some bears sleep through the winter. They learned that bears have an excellent sense of smell. Most of all, they learned that true strength means being kind and helping others. Momo and Diddi smiled. They were excited to discover which amazing animal they would meet next. Before Momo and Didi went to sleep, they had one more message for you. Did you enjoy meeting the amazing bear today? If you did, please like this video and subscribe to Storytime Zone so you don't miss our next adventure. Don't forget to watch our Meet Amazing Animals with Momo and Didi playlist, where you can meet many more amazing animals, learn easy English, and discover fun facts from around the world. Thank you for joining Mama and Didi today. See you in the next adventure.